So just now in the morning, I was watching. No, I was watching the show called Arya because it released today, and it is like normally I never like morning time is very precious for me. I do my meditation, yoga, and all. But this particular series, Arya, that stars Shushmita Sen, Sikandar Kher, Chandrachud Singh, you know, and uh, Namit, the the actor. So it is so gripping. You will be just once you start watching, you need to keep watching. So try and check it out, people. It's that's what I. There are a series of 9 episodes, and it just released today. So I'm still in the process of watching, and I think this is one series I intend to watch all 9 episodes. Each episode is like almost an hour long, or 50 minutes, 53 minutes, and all. But seriously, yeah, absolutely cool. So Namit Dasgupta, I think that's the name. So you all should watch it, people, because it is so. It'll give you goosebumps, and very few Indian shows are able to do that. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.